what's up school fans, and welcome back to the vlog. And after a crazy last 24 hours in the IBL, what up Franka? Malam ini kita akan ngeliput game antara Tangerang Hawks melawan Dewa United Banten. Ini adalah salah satu tim yang bikin gebrakan kemarin ini, yaitu Tangerang Hawks dengan mengganti pelatih Coach Antonius Joko dengan Coach Tony. So hari ini Coach Tony akan menjalankan debutnya melawan the reigning champion. So we gonna see bagaimana ritme dan juga permainannya Tangerang Hawks malam ini. So itu aja sedikit opening dari gue. I'm super excited for tonight. So pastikan kalian nonton vlognya secara full, hype it up, and thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the vlog guys. Coach Dewa nih, iya. Woo, Coach Ramiro. Oh, Coach. Lucu banget. Ini sama Koko Lau. Kapan main?
Sabar. Emang 2 tahun pensiun tuh gak bohong sih. Emang lagi recovery otot. Kemarin berarti sempat tertarik mau mastiin aja ketika balik jangan sampai pulang lagi.
Oh, oke. Ada timeline ya? Timeline.
Kalau semua jalan lancar kemungkinan 11 Februari.
Gokil loh. Kayak berapa bulan lalu baru sama gue di Medan kayaknya. Jadi pakai baju Dewa.
Dekat rumah.
Siapa yang ngajakin?
Bener sih langsung dikontak sama Pak Zaki awal.
Oke.
Udah dikontak dari Oktober tapi nggak jadi, baru dikontak lagi di Desember. Suruh tryout, kebetulan coachnya juga cocok ya.
Tahun pertama Hardy, tahun kedua Arki, tahun ketiga Lau, tahun keempat siapa kira-kira nih?
Tunggu aja. Hardy MLM.
Thank you Lau. Coach, selamat datang kembali ke IBL. Bagaimana reaksinya Mas dapat opportunity tentang balik lagi ke IBL?
Sebetulnya memang ada beberapa tim ya, cuman kan yang buat saya jadi challenge ini Hawks ini kan berisi pemain-pemain muda yang punya semangat tuh api-apinya masih besar gitu. Nah saya tertarik dengan anak-anak muda ini yang belum di top level namanya gitu. Selain itu kan biar kita tidak ketergantungan dengan asing. Karena kalau kita paksa asing over 30 menit setiap game risiko cedera dong. Nah sedangkan kita punya lokal yang saya bilang ini waktunya mereka untuk bersinar sebenarnya. Tinggal mereka dikasih kesempatan untuk pembuktian aja.
Udah berapa hari Coach megang tim ini?
Kita melihatnya Senin kemarin, Selasa hari ini main. Jadi gitu.
Berarti 2 hari ya?
Iya, kayak kereta cepat jadinya.
Seberapa baik sistemnya Coach Tony yang bisa Coach Tony kasih dalam 2 hari terakhir ini?
Kalau install sistem sih nggak banyak ya, cuman kan karena masih ada sistem kemarin kan Mas Joko kan. Jadi kita hanya beberapa adjust terutama untuk di defense. Dan dapetnya itu anak-anak, ya lo main basket berpuluh-puluh tahun masa hanya untuk begitu doang itu. Untuk nyalain apinya itu aja sih sebenarnya.
Oke, Coach, sukses ya. Thank you Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, ya Kak Rogi. Reaksinya dan juga bagaimana nih keadaan timnya setelah mengganti pelatih dan juga 48 jam terakhir?
So far sih pasti kaget ya. Debut tadi terus ganti pelatih, cuman Bang Tony installnya itu gak ribet untuk ya langsung kayak udah main, akhirnya menemukan titiknya. Ya mungkin 1-2 game bakal susah lah, tapi kedepannya mudah-mudahan bisa lebih klop lagi. Sebenarnya di installnya sih gampang sih, mereka kan namanya juga ganti pelatih kan semua tim juga nggak pasti susah gitu. Cuman menurut gua ya so far oke lah.
Lu doang yang ada pengalaman dengan Bang Tony ya?
Iya gua doang. 3,5 tahun.
3,5 tahun ya? Jadi
Masih sama dia, masih sama.
Jadi tahu lah.
Iya. Jadi makanya adjustmentnya terus udah berpengalaman juga tengah season ganti pelatih, terus ganti asing ganti pelatih. Pasti adjustmentnya harus cepat sih gitu. Mungkin disitulah nilai plusnya gitu.
Ya, thank you ya.
Thank you Rogi.
Rio sepatunya New Balance apa nih Rio nih sepatunya? Keren juga, warna hijau. Dio Tirta juga pakainya. Ini Spider yang baru kali ya?
And now, introducing starting lineup. And that's the end of the third quarter. Dewa United Banten dengan skor 66 meninggalkan. Timeout Tangerang Hawks basketball. Panasonic Hawks official sponsor. Create today and reach to.
That was beautiful. DJ need one more. Need one more for triple double. Satu assist lagi. Ya, DJ gagal triple double. Kurang satu assist. Kurang satu assist untuk triple double. Hawkeyes, sekali lagi kami ucapkan. Bro, cool. Dog.
24 minutes, dog.
That's it?
That's it.
Damn, that shit felt like an hour, 30 minutes.
You want to, I mean, like, you're getting like big minutes from coach, and now, you know, not so young anymore. How are you handling it,
Hey,
man?
whatever the team needs me to do to get a W, you know? If it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, jangan sampai 40, but yeah, you know, I'm there, you know, to play my role, give Big Josh a rest and stuff, you know? So,
I still enjoying it though, battling against the big imports.
of course, being 37, still competing against kids 10, 12 years younger than me, that means I'm doing something right.
That's true though. And gimana? Bermain dengan pemain-pemain muda like Pace atau Pace setengah.
I think everybody's stepping up their own way, you know, from dari nggak main banyak minutes to playing big minutes, you know, contributing, you know. But that's the thing about being young, you know, we gotta be more consistent as a team, and you know, we're just gonna get better from here. You know, I know we're struggling a little, you know, not being consistent and stuff, but we're gonna get there. You know, we got a long way to go.
Comment on Rio, man. Rio DC.
Rio's been phenomenal, you know. And let's talk about his age. He's not that far away from me. You know, he's the same age as Hardy old ass, you know. So like, you know, and he's still that fast, running break, shooting, playing defense. But it's not just Rio. You know, everybody's playing their part. But you know, I'm proud of everybody stepping up. You know, we only have 2 imports right now, and it's a struggle, but you know, those are the cards that's being dealt.
I mean, what's the biggest struggle though? I mean, not just playing with 2 imports, you're playing with one of your best scorers too, Caleb.
Yeah. So like, you know, missing Caleb, missing Jordan, we're adjusting. Everybody's having a new role, having to contribute. We're trying to find our chemistry within the coach's offense system, and us as building that chemistry as a unit too. So we'll get there.
Kamu ngajakin Lau nggak sih kesini?
Me?
Iya.
Nanya lawan.
Udah tadi.
What he say?
Dia bilang Hardy.
Hardy?
Iya.
I'm just a
Dia bilang
secondary
coach lah,
guy.
coach
Huh?
Julbe yang Bang Zaki yang nelpon katanya. Tapi kan year 1 Hardy, year 2 Arki, year 3 Lau.
Lo mau spill year 4 siapa?
Nah, I'm good. Where am I?
Thank
Hey,
you.
I'll see you, all right? Next year.
Tentunya tadi habis halftime break, Coach Yobe remind us that every position matters. Coach dia juga ada kasih kepercayaan buat kita pemain lokal, dan ada gap yang harus di fill karena pemain asing kita cuma 2. Jadi every night some local player have to step up, dan it works.
No, basically Josh felt some muscle problems and we didn't want to risk. In fact, it's normal. There was a lot of heat and like it was hot in the court, and the hardwood is different than there was hardwood, so it's normal that the players feel a little bit uncomfortable with the muscle problems. So in this moment we didn't want to risk because maybe this is nothing, small problems, and this can go to a major injury. We didn't want to risk with Josh, and we stretched the game, finished the game with local rotation, with Arki at position 5, and some moments with Patrick at position 5, going small ball, but also we were in the second half very focused in the zone defense, and then with a lot of effort, everybody involved, and I think that helped. That the small ball didn't show too much against us.
Josh, obviously shocking news yesterday.
Yeah.
What was the last 20, maybe 40 hours been for you guys, and how did you prepare for this game?
It's the business of basketball. We were shocked when we got the news, and now it's just kind of like we're just trying to process everything and just welcome the new coach and just try to get things going. It's kind of hard when we change coaches like that in the middle of the season so quick. So it's just like now just trying to figure everything out.
How much system or how much does the new coach put into that?
Not too much. It's kind of hard because we didn't have too much time, but it's still a work in progress. So I'm pretty sure the system, like when we have our week after our next game, I'm pretty sure we're gonna improve the system and he's gonna put more stuff in. So we just gotta figure things out from there.
Tough start for you guys. 1-3 right now. What about this group right now?
We're talented. Like we have a really good team. It's just about finishing the game. We always felt like going into halftime and then third quarter, fourth quarter come, and it's just kind of like we go downhill. So we just gotta just lock in and just focus on ourselves.
Kalau saya sih concern kalau main lokal kita aja ya, kan kita nggak bisa bergantung dengan asing. Kalau asing off, lokal kita off, mati kita. Tapi 1-2 sebenarnya lokal kita nggak masalah kan, maksudnya bisa compete gitu. Tapi kenapa begitu 3-4-nya, balik lagi ke setelan awal lagi gitu, ketergantungan asing. Itu sih yang mau kita perbaikin ya, sesegera mungkin, secepat mungkin. Dan itu harus gitu. Karena kalau kita nggak bisa paksain asing untuk terus-menerus.
Coach tadi kan kasih banyak kesempatan kepada pemain lokal. Ini apakah Coach masih meraba-raba untuk rotasinya atau memang mau kasih kesempatan untuk semuanya?
Memang kan ya kita kan terima apa yang sudah ada kan dalam waktu 3 hari ini, termasuk hari ini. Saya juga mau tahu kapasitas mereka sejauh apa sih, apa yang bisa saya gunakan dari mereka sebenarnya. Di 1-2 saya meminta role ke mereka jalankan cukup baik. Tapi begitu ke 3-4 kok balik lagi ke setelan awalnya, itu jadi masalah besar sih.
Kan pemain asing tadi ada Cila, foul trouble, Rangka juga ejected. Coach sendiri udah seberapa kenal ya sama pemain asing ini, dan juga apakah udah di pendekatan khusus gitu?
Baru kenal dari Senin kemarin pas hari pertama latihan gitu. Jadi baru tahu, baru tadi ya baru kemarin ngobrol-ngobrol seperti apa mereka role-nya gitu kan. Baru tahu juga oh tipe mainnya mereka seperti ini.
Apa hal utama yang bakal Coach bahas di video session besok ini dan ataupun juga latihan?
Ada kayak perkembangan masalah strategi defense ya. Kalau coach sebelumnya itu defense momentumnya bagaimana, kalau saya seperti mau apa gitu. Itu ada beberapa banyak yang harus segera di-adjust sih.
Apakah akan cukup waktunya Coach next game hari
Jumat
ya?
Dimaksimalin aja pokoknya.
Dimaksimalin aja. Oke, Coach. Terima kasih, Coach.
Sama-sama.
DJ, were you aware that you were
1 assist short, triple-double?
No, I'm just out there playing the game. I think last game as well I was 1 short, but I don't know. It probably will come eventually. We're just trying to do whatever we can do to get the win.
How many assists what was your record, man, in your career? How many assists you dish out the most?
I think it was like 24 or something like that, maybe in Russia a few years ago, a long time ago actually, but something like that.
So
Yeah.
the record in the IBL is 16.
Okay. Man, we got good players, man, so I'm sure it's gonna come. You know, we just gotta keep playing the right way, and you know, I believe in my guys, and I think it'll come.
This is tougher to play. I mean, like it is tougher. I mean, like how tough it is, you know, to play only with 2 imports, you know, against 3 imports.
It's definitely, you know, a grind. But like I said, our Lopu's been doing an amazing job. You know, everybody been stepping up. It's been somebody different every game, but we've been doing a good job. You know, we're gonna keep going until we, you know, get the third corner.
So you still playing paddle?
A little bit. My girl like paddle, man. So I'm learning. I'm getting there.
How good are you, bro?
6'7".
6'7". Thanks,
You play?
Nah.
Okay.
Keep your basketball.
Grateful, man. Grateful for it, man. I'm blessed. I'm blessed.
Yo, man, I'm blessed.
I'm blessed, bro.
Iya.
I've been waiting for this, bro.
Oke. Pelajarannya apa kemarin latihan interview, jawabnya apa? Ayo.
Go on. We can go on.
Talk about the block, man. You know.
It's my fault actually, bro. It was my fault, yeah. Cause Hardy points at somebody. I was like, oh yeah, I got my guy. And then when I like tilt my head backward, I was like, oh shit, that's my man. I was like, oh nah, I gotta get that. So yeah, I was just, you know, I was just trying, but it was there.
It was there. So right now, apa sih perannya Junior bersama yang dikasih sama Coach Jobe? I think he likes, you know, he likes how you play right now.
Mungkin defense sih. Defense, cause you know I take pride in defense, and so mungkin dia suka gue gara-gara defense sih. Gue gak mau kalah aja. Terus kayak ya gue agresif aja kalau offense. I mean, I got nothing to lose, man.
Everybody's stepping up, man.
Huh?
Everybody's stepping up.
Yeah,
Rio,
I mean,
Dio, you.
Yeah, I mean, if you got the time and you got the confidence, why not, bro?
How high is your confidence level right now?
Right now? At the highest at the moment. At this moment is the highest.
Main udah berapa kali ya?
I'm gonna just cherish the moment, man.
Udah main berapa 4 game ya? Kalian main berapa game sekarang?
4 games.
2 kali? Double digit?
3 times.
3 times double digits?
Yes.
Wow, you being aggressive, huh? MIP? Are you going for that?
I'm going for whatever it is, bro. I'm going for whatever award it is. Defensive player, most improved player, 6 man, I'm going, bro. Whatever it is.
Let's get it, Jun.
Appreciate you, Cole.
Please join my channel, guys.